Jamaica's young chess stars once again proved that excellence has no age limit. At the 20th Caribbean and Central American Youth Chess Festival in Dorado, Puerto Rico, Team Jamaica stood tall among 21 countries, delivering gold medal performances and strong finishes across every age group. From December 14th to 21st, 2025, the region's brightest young minds battled across the chessboard, and Jamaica made its move. The classical section featured 268 players, competing over 9 rounds with medals awarded to the top 5 in each division. Jenasiya Mais led the charge, winning gold in the under-8 female section, marking one of Jamaica's standout performances of the tournament. Other notable results included Rhea Gardner, 3rd in under-10 female Emilia Rose Leak, 2nd in under-12 female WCM Kaya Gale, 2nd in under-16 female FM Jaden Shaw, 4th overall in under-18 absolute WCM Gabriella Watson, 5th in under-18 female across the absolute divisions. Jamaica remained competitive, with several players finishing inside the top 10 and narrowly missing additional medals in the final round. In the Blitz competition, CM Nathaniel Hope delivered Jamaica's second gold medal, winning the under-16 to 18 section. Strong Blitz performances also came from Noelle Noble, 3rd in under-10 Jenasiya Mais, 2nd in under-8 Kalani Crosdale, 3rd in under-8 Calo Davy, 5th among boys in the overall team standings. Guatemala placed 1st, Panama 2nd, Puerto Rico 3rd, despite missing additional medals due to 9th-round losses. Head of delegation IM Jomo Peterson praised the team's effort and growth, emphasizing that Jamaica was in contention throughout the tournament. With eyes now on CAC 2026 in Costa Rica, Team Jamaica is determined to return stronger. This tournament was more than medals, it was a glimpse into Jamaica's future. Young minds, sharp focus, fearless competition. If you're proud of Jamaica's youth, like this video, share it to help spotlight Caribbean chess. Subscribe and turn on notifications to follow the rise of Jamaica's next generation of champions. The pieces are moving, the future is thinking, and Jamaica is ready. Costa Rica 2026, checkmate loading.